Hey guys, are you guys sick of going out somewhere to, get some food or get some takeout or something like that? Okay. My name is Gabe and I have a product for you. Okay. This is a drone. And what it can do is it can fly around with this propeller and it flies around to where you want to go. So, if you want to get like McDonald's or something, let's say, you put like all your burgers and all of, let's say, I don't know, whatever food you get right here. And right here, there are some cup holders, and this is for drinks. If you also want to go get some groceries or something like that, you can do that too. You just put them here, and then if you want to like get a soda or something, you can put them in the cup holders. Tom is right here, and he's going to explain to you how it works.
So, like Gabe explained, this is a
Detachable propeller.
yes, detachable propeller. We have the grocery or the burger thing, just in case if you need like to put a burger on there. This might be a small representation. The real version is a lot bigger. The propeller activates with this. It's a detachable. You activate the propeller. You re-put on the propeller here.
Then it can fly away.
Wait for it to start doing this.
And then it can fly away.
But before you do that, you gotta give it its location.
Yeah.
So
you grab a phone or something, you type in the location on some map app or something, and you just put it basically anywhere you want on this system that's not on the propeller.
So not here, or
just like somewhere on here. Like on here.
And then
it would fly
it will
over.
read your text and fly away.
Yes. And then it
Using
will go get
the
the
free
food for
app.
you. Yes. Free app. Or any map app that you want, but it usually works a little bit better with our free app.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So I
And
hope
when it comes back, you would get your food or whatever you have, and maybe even a drink or two.
Yep. I hope that this will appeal to our customers and that everyone would like this. Have a nice day.